Hey everyone! Today we're going to master accessing and managing your archived tasks in ClickUp. This crucial process allows you to keep your active dashboard clean while retaining access to every piece of hidden or completed work. 1. Access your ClickUp dashboard. The dashboard serves as the starting point for navigating all active and archived work. 1. Open ClickUp. Open your web browser and navigate directly to the ClickUp website. 2. Load dashboard. Wait for the dashboard to fully load. The dashboard is defined as the main workspace view where all your ongoing projects, tasks, and lists are displayed. Next, locate and expand the search function. Accessing the archive requires using a special filter within the search tool. 1. Identify search bar. Locate the prominent search bar positioned clearly at the very top of the ClickUp interface. This tool is designed for quick retrieval of items across the entire workspace. 2. Open drop-down menu. Click inside the search bar, which will reveal a drop-down menu that lets you refine your search parameters. 3. Select More option. In this drop-down menu, specifically select the More option. Clicking More expands the search scope to include deeper, less frequently accessed sections of ClickUp, critically including all archived content. Next, apply the archive filter. This step isolates the archived content from your active workspace items. 1. Choose filter. After selecting More, find and choose the archived filter. 2. View updates. The visible list will immediately update to show only those tasks and notes that have been intentionally set aside and are no longer active. Archived content remains stored for later reference and review. Next, utilize archive management actions. Once you've located the items, you have 3 clear options for how to manage them. 1. Review. You can simply review or examine completed projects or notes to recall specific details without changing their status. 2. Restore. If necessary, select an archive task and choose the Restore action to reactivate it, making it reappear in your active workspace. 3. Remind. The archive also serves as a great place to simply remind yourself of past accomplished work without needing to bring it back into a current workflow. 4. Keep it clean. A final best practice is to regularly check the archive after major projects, which helps maintain a clean and efficient workspace. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.